follow trends, breakouts, and more with chart drawings. The Drawings toolbar is located on the left side of the chart. It lets you add traditional drawings like trend lines and channels, but there are many more types of drawings available to you. Left-click to select the drawing you want to add. Then, add the start and finish points of your drawing by left-clicking the chart. Once a drawing is on the chart, you can customize how it looks. Hover your mouse over the drawing or left-click it to select it. This reveals a drawing customization widget that lets you quickly customize the color, adjust the thickness of the lines, and delete the drawing. You can also adjust some of these settings by clicking the gear icon. Here, you can also add labels and extend the drawing left or right. Do you use certain drawings more than others? Set them as favorites and they'll always stay at the top of the toolbar. There are so many drawings available on the platform that sometimes the whole list might not fit on your screen. So, be sure to use the mouse scroll wheel to move up and down the list. Drawings are automatically saved to your template. However, you can hide drawings if you only need to see the chart price action. You can always delete them as well. And that's all there is to adding and managing drawings in TD Active Trader.